The jury, in my view, got it right. George Zimmerman not guilty. But a little bit of a rant here, and I'm joining lead defense attorney Mark O'Mara in this, because he quite clearly and quite appropriately and forcefully called out the national media at the post-verdict news conference on Saturday night, when he said, you know, the media, you got blood on your hands here for the way you leaped to conclusions that George Zimmerman was a racist, that he had attacked Trayvon Martin, that he was the bad guy in this, when there was no evidence to sustain that whatsoever. He's absolutely right on that. I got another rant here too. Special Prosecutor Angela Corey, it seems quite clear now, withheld evidence, negative things about Trayvon Martin in an effort to get what she got, an overcharge of second-degree murder against George Zimmerman. And now one more rant. We have a system in this country. We have a jury system. This was a thoroughly tried case with a unanimous verdict of not guilty for the defendant. And now we have elements in this country, in Central Florida and all across the land, who will not accept the jury's verdict. So now we're talking about a civil suit against Zimmerman from Trayvon Martin's parents. We're talking about the NAACP leaning all over Eric Holder, the Attorney General, to initiate civil rights violation charges against George Zimmerman. They are never going to accept this verdict, and they are going to dog George Zimmerman till he dies. What a pathetic commentary on the state of race relations in this country. We have a long way to go.